In this exercise, we'll rationalize the denominator of a square root. We are going to rationalize the denominator of the square root of 2 over 5. And what I want to do is to multiply this radicand by some form of 1 that makes the denominator a perfect square. And I would see that if I have another 5 in this denominator, I would have a perfect square there. So I'm going to multiply 2/5 by 1 in the form of 5 over 5. And when I do that, then I have in the numerator 2 times 5, and in the denominator 25. So I have the square root of 10 over 25. And I can write this as a quotient of square roots, the square root of 10 over the square root of 25. And the square root of 10 I can't simplify any further, but the square root of 25 is a perfect square. It's 5. So I have rationalized the denominator. I've written this expression without a radical in the denominator, and the rationalized form is the square root of 10 over 5.